You will witness your daily focus double within days. By mixing freshly crushed ginger with soaked chia seeds in warm water, your body absorbs a rush of raw nutrients. You'll bypass the midday crash entirely and stay fully active without needing extra caffeine.